Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Election Commission announces dates for assembly elections in 5 states, including Mizoram. World Bank delegation holds meeting with the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to discuss solid waste management projects. Casualties in Israel-Hamas conflict rise over 1,100 as war intensifies. And relief and rescue operations are in full swing in flood-affected areas of Sikkim. And now for the news in detail. The assembly elections in Mizoram, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Telangana will be held between 7th to 30th of next month, while the counting for all the 5 states will take place on the 3rd of December. In Mizoram, the polling will be held on 7th November and the notification will be issued on 13th of this month. Chhattisgarh will go to poll on 2 phases on the 7th and 17th of November, and notification will be issued on 13th of this month for the first phase and on 21st of this month for the second phase. A delegation of officials from the World Bank today held a series of meetings with the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on how to move forward on the project relating to solid waste management. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, Binyard Singh's aim said that the KHADC, in collaboration with the villagers, will hold an awareness program with regards to segregation of waste. Same also said that the Executive Council has decided to work hand in hand with the villagers and HIMAS to make this project a successful one.
This program kumno ngin ya ba katno tuli kishnong ngin pentrekam first phase, second phase, third phase hangtangin sesuatu banbang ka budget. The nakaliang ka World Bank kala syukentu ini ban compensate ekani kakam namarba kala ada alot ya kafan ba kana mlaps kani kafan namang ihap banda kumnum no hapo jungni Oktober ni hap long clear ke eka jing tungu ga jungi habedi asol base dangila long clear in black and white ga jing tho ka biang bangi kwa ban petrekam kumta mta ba ga jing lut sep tan long kumta de nakaliang ka World Bank kala long bakuloi ban ya tray lambat ni ban ka funding.
Israel's death toll in the ongoing conflict with Hamas has crossed over 1,000, with nearly 700 killed in Israel and 400 killed in Gaza. Thousands of people are feared injured. The death toll is expected to rise as some areas are yet to be cleared of Hamas attackers and battles are still going on. The fight still continues between the Hamas and Israeli security personnel at multiple locations. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Kumar Mishra visited the flash flood affected areas under Mangan district on Sunday. Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang also visited the affected areas near Pidang Bridge in Dikchu and interacted with the people. According to Sikkim State Disaster Management Authority, the death toll from flash floods has gone up to 33, including 9 army personnel. 105 people are still missing. 2,563 people have been rescued so far, and around 6,847 persons have taken shelter in 28 relief camps. 4 members of the family who lost their lives in a tragic landslide on Sunday at Pinthor, Langten, West Jaintia Hills district were laid to rest today. The ceremony was witnessed by villagers, relatives, school students and friends who gathered at the family's residence to pay their respect. The family met a tragic fate when a hillock adjacent to their home collapsed while they were still asleep on Sunday morning. In the wake of this devastating incident, the Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills District yesterday has been instructed to immediately provide ex gratia funds of Rs 4 lakh per person to the next of kin. 2 villagers in North Garo Hills sustained grievous injuries after they were attacked by wild elephants while crossing a road in Kardang area of North Garo Hills close to the border with Assam's Golpara district. Preliminary reports state that a group of villagers were walking back home along the Kardang road that connects West Bilpara and North Garo Hills with Assam when they came across a wild herd of elephants moving through the area. The incident reportedly happened after 7 p.m. in total darkness, and the villagers had little time to react. The District Sports Office Southwest Garo Hills Ampati organized a district-level youth exchange program 2023 with the theme Building a Better World, partnering with youth at the Badu Multi-Facility Centre Ampati today. The event started with a small inaugural function which was graced by R.P. Marak, Deputy Commissioner, IS Southwest Garo Hills Ampati, as the chief guest. He gave a short speech and motivated the students to work hard and explore their career options. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 23.1 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 15.8 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 79% and in the evening 91%. Forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur in many places. And now for the headlines once again. Election Commission announces dates for assembly elections in 5 states, including Mizoram. World Bank delegation holds meeting with the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to discuss solid waste management projects. Casualties in Israel-Hamas conflict rise over 1,100 as war intensifies. And relief and rescue operations are in full swing in flood-affected areas of Sikkim. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.